Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy crypto by PayPal Easy Guide. Start by opening your PayPal app and navigating to the Crypto tab to begin buying. Next, verify your identity with a government ID and link your bank, debit card, or balance to fund purchases. Finally, choose the crypto you want, enter the amount or fiat value, and confirm the trade after reviewing fees and limits. When choosing how to pay, think about speed and cost. Linking a bank account usually gives lower fees but can take longer to settle. Debit cards are faster yet may cost more, while using your PayPal balance is instant and convenient. Avoid credit cards unless you understand cash advance terms and fees. Always check the displayed fee and the final price before confirming a buy to avoid surprises. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video so we can make more guides. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with clear sound and voice control, perfect for kitchen timers or playing market updates while you trade. It's compact and affordable, and it pairs well with a home office setup. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Buying crypto is straightforward once setup is complete. Pick an asset, enter the USD amount or crypto quantity, and PayPal will show an estimated price and fee. Take a moment to read the fee breakdown, then confirm to execute the buy. After purchase, your crypto shows in your PayPal portfolio for tracking. Remember, you may not be able to withdraw all assets off platform depending on your region and PayPal rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.